Okay, so I bought this aftermarket stereo off, Android stereo off of Amazon. Great upgrade, I love it. I couldn't figure out the backup camera. First off, they did not include the rear backup harness. I'll show you real quick. So I had to order that off of Amazon. It's this piece right here. It's the male that goes into the female, that they do include this female part. So I got this part, and there's a wire that has back on it. And then on the wiring harness that comes, I noticed that there is also back. So I hooked those two together, voila. My backup started working. So I haven't seen a video like this, so I figured I would show you guys. Hopefully this helps. So I'll hook these together and then I'll show you the final product. All right, here's the second part of the video. So I put the stereo back in, hooked both of the wires, connected the wires, and here we go. Perfect. Back in business. Hope that helped everybody.